Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. Let me step aside so you can see how gorgeous this 56 Cadillac Coupe DeVille is. Is that not just art on wheels? This thing is just gorgeous. I'm in love. It's been body off the frame restored. The underside of the car looks like this. It's gloss red. The entire chassis is rebuilt. Has some nice upgrades like rack and pinion steering and overdrive transmission. Go to volocars.com. That's where you can read all the specs, study all the pictures top to bottom, and that's where you'll find the price. Not only on this car, but we do have a few hundred collector cars in there, all for sale if you visit volocars.com. If you enjoy watching the video, subscribe to the YouTube channel, click on that bell icon, and you'll be notified as the new ones are posted. But right now, let's go for a spin in this Coupe DeVille. And you'll notice it barely clears the walls. I had to back it on instead of pulling it on, and we got like an inch at each end. This thing's a monster. I think I'll charge by the foot. I'll be a wealthy man. Anyway, same owner since 1994, I think it was. He did a body off frame restoration. It's obvious. He didn't cut corners. He did it right. It's very high quality restoration. Fortunately, he passed away recently, and we bought it from their family. So yes, the body was off the frame, which you typically don't see on a big Cadillac. This isn't like restoring a Camaro. There's more chrome on here. You could build a Camaro with the chrome on this car. But anyway, the body off the frame. The floors were so clean, they prepped them and painted them gloss red. If they were patched up or icky, they would have just undercoated them real heavy. But it's all painted red. The entire chassis was restored. The whole front end components, all new bushing, shocks, ball joints, whatever it is that's up there, it's all new and it's all painted. It's all nice gloss black front end. And like I mentioned earlier, it has a rack and pinion power steering up front too. The brakes were all redone. The emergency brake cables are hooked up. It has a really nice dual exhaust system. When I say it's nice, I mean it's bent neatly. It goes all the way out the back through the rear bumper like it did originally. The motor was rebuilt. You look at the oil pan, it's still brand new looking. I don't think he drove this car much after it was finished. So the oil pan is painted real nice. It has a high torque starter under there. Then the transmission, they took the hydromatic out, and it has a 700 R4 overdrive. So get out on the highway and cruise with this thing. Just map out your gas stations. New shocks in the back and in the front. Springs are replaced. I think the fuel system was replaced in this one. So underneath's real nice. The body is amazing. I know what paint jobs cost. You can spend 15 grand painting a Camaro. This is like 2 Camaros, and it is laser beam straight. This is a bright red. It's polished out like glass. It's a red mirror is what I'm looking at right here. It's not ripply, it's not wavy, it is polished. The gaps are right on. I don't see any damage. All 19 feet of it is laser beam straight. I don't see a ripple, even along the bottom. This is all smooth. The door fits completely flush. I barely even feel the door gap there. Nice and square. No bubbles, no damage, no cracks that I could see anywhere. The paint is also polished out really smooth and glossy. So A+ body and paint. Maybe I missed a flaw, very possible, but I have not found one. I've been around this car a few times. Matter of fact, it just got drizzled on. I just wiped the car down and did not see a flaw. The chrome. He spent a lot of money with a chrome plater. All of this, even the gold, all of this chrome, these big bumper ends here, all of this is redone. These might be good original. I can't tell without my glasses. They're really nice though, but this is all new. This is new, all up in here. Usually these are all pitted. Door handles look new. The stainless trim is all straight and shiny. New windshield, the gasket's soft. Sparkling chrome wire wheels, 5 of them. These are BF Goodrich radial white wall tires. We just put them on there brand new at a tire store. They're like 3 days old, so that's new. The rear window's original, but it's nice and clear. Continental kit adds another foot off the back of the car. Bumpers re-chromed. The tire cover obviously is painted and chrome. Big giant trunk. Those of you who don't know where to put the gas, right there. Very cool. Giant trunk. Fit several bodies in here. Underneath the carpet, it has a sound deadener. And this isn't just carpet somebody just threw in there. Someone actually cut, it's probably a professional, carpeted the trunk. It has the sideboard panels replaced, new weather strips, all painted real slick up under the trunk lid. Now the interior is a combination of, it's been freshened up. That's not brand new in there, but it's really nice. We'll get right back to that. The motor compartment is show quality. It was obviously all apart. It's all painted glossy and beautiful. Every component looks new. The motor is rebuilt. It's the original 365, I think. And it has dual quads on top. 2 new Edelbrock carburetors, new fuel pump. Like I said, every component looks new. It looks like the exhaust manifolds were coated. The valve covers have been hand painted where it says Cadillac and striped. It's upgraded to an alternator from a generator. It has an aluminum radiator to keep it running cool. The battery, the hold down for the battery, the cables, all of that stuff looks new. Now the interior is really nice. When I sit in there, it's like, oh my God, is this comfy? The seats feel great. The white vinyl looks like it's maybe been there a while from an older restoration. The red inserts are new. There's nothing wrong with it. It's just, it's not new, and actually I'm sure my guys have been busy. This can clean up a little bit better. But this is all in really nice shape. The chrome is all nice. It has power windows, power seat. Carpet has been replaced. Oh, comfy. If you buy it, you'll sit in it the first time. You'll know exactly what I'm talking about. Padded dash has been redone, and all of this is beautiful. Nothing worse than looking at a dash. It's all pitted and cracked or broken, but the lens is clear. The knobs are nice. The chrome is shiny. The metal inside's been repainted. The jambs are repainted real slick. Steering wheel's real nice. It does have a stereo mounted under the dash, and it also has LED lights in the instrument panel. Got an electric fuel pump. I'm in love with this car. It has power steering, power brakes, and it looks completely restored. Those 2 components I just mentioned are painted like brand new. It has the optional glass washer bottle. It has the 4 horns, 2 big trumpet horns and the regular horns. Fortunately, they're not working. That would be really cool to get those things going. I bet it sounds like a train. The headliner is excellent. It's a white perforated headliner. Dome lights work. It has chrome ribs on the headliner. Doors shut beautifully. I don't remember what I priced this car at. Whatever I priced it at, it's not enough. This car is just amazing. It's beautiful. You don't find them in this condition. You don't find them in eye-popping red with chrome wire wheels. this 56 Cadillac's exceptional. I love it. That's my impression of this car. If you have specific concerns or questions, go to volocars.com. Salesmen can help you with any of those questions you have. They'll also make the financing, the paperwork, the shipping, all real easy for you. At volocars.com is where you'll find them. If you enjoy watching the videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on the bell icon, and you'll be the first to see the next one posted. Thanks for watching.